Hey friends, if you wish to turn off a VPN proxy on your system, then please watch this video. Now for a third-party VPN, it can be installed on a browser, it can be installed on your system. So just like any other application, you have to right click, select settings, you have to go to apps, select installed apps, and then you can remove that app just like any other app. There's no different with any VPN application, or if it's on a browser, then you will have to delete it from a browser. But for the proxy, I advise you not to go through the settings method. Rather, I will suggest a different method. So press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command inet cpl.cpl and hit enter. This will open the Internet Properties window. Go to the Connections tab, select LAN settings, then make sure that this box automatically detects settings is checked. If any other box like proxy server, anything is checked, just uncheck it. Make sure that this box at which I'm hovering is unchecked and this box automatically detects settings is checked. Click on OK and then on OK once again, or then apply an OK, and you will have turned off VPN and proxy both on your system. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.